Welcome friends, welcome to MLM system training my friend. MLM system is very important my friend. If you don't use the system, there is a guarantee to fail. If you use the system and follow the system, you are guaranteed to become successful. So my friend, I am Pradeep Agarwal. Now my friend, this training is made for Dejoy Company Private Limited. You have already signed up and already made your ID green. That is why only you are getting this system training my friend. As I told you previously also, that you will be getting a proper systematic training, and the system is very important. As I informed you a number of times my friends, that you will get a very powerful system which is not done by me my friend. It has been used for many years by the top successful people in network marketing people, and those have the leaders. They have right now maybe making around 1 CR to 5 CR per month my friend. So this is not my system. I only included the mind training here because I am a mind coach. I help thousands of sportsmen to become successful, become a winner. I work with the Olympic medalists. I work with the top golfers. I use the mind training. So I've included the mind training which will help you accelerate your things much faster my friend. Now, why the system is important? You need to understand. It's very important. Why you need to know about the system, why you need to follow the system my friend. So my friend, you may be successful and expert in what you are doing right now other than network marketing. You may be a doctor, you may be an engineer, you may be a builder, you may be a, any kind of industrialist or trading business, or you may be a salesperson. My friend, this is a different kind of business as I told you in advance also. Now my friend, you are expert in what you are doing, but you are not expert in this. I also thought the first time when I got into network marketing. Now when I get into network marketing, I had no training my friend. Being a trainer, which I am doing since 1977, travel all over the world, I decided to learn it. So I went to everywhere, bought everything, went abroad and get certified in multi-level marketing my friends. I learned from there, and from there after I learned, I created a system for my company which I was working till 2012, from 2000 to 2012, where I was in a cap limit. I built a team of 25 lakhs people. I resigned from that company. There was some personal reason which I was not getting along with the owners. So that's okay. The system which I made is still working very well there my friend. People are making 2 CR a year. So my friend, important thing is system is very important, because this is a different system, different thing than what you were doing before. So if you don't know these things, you may do a lot of mistakes. I did a lot of mistakes. I learned from mistakes my friend. So here you need to learn the system. If you follow the system my friend, you will get 100% successful. Now let me give you an example. For example, I am a hypnotist and my cousin is a builder and he builds big projects. So I also thought I will also start it without any training. I don't know how to do it. If I do it my friend, what will happen? Definitely I will fail. If I have to become successful in construction and building, I need to take a training. I can go to my cousin and ask him, I will work with you for 1 year free. So I can learn from you and then we can work together. There, learning is very important. Everything you want to do something new, you need to have a training there. If you don't have a training, guaranteed failure. So my friend, if you are a doctor and you want to get into some engineering work, it will not work. An engineer cannot become a doctor. You need to take a training of a doctor. That doesn't mean that you are not smart. That doesn't mean that you don't know what you want to do. But you know it very well in your system. So network marketing is totally different kind of business my friend. This is the only business where I want you to success. I want you to become successful because you are my downline. I will give you all the secrets. Why? Because if you become success, we will become success. So my friend, system is so important. And now, another important thing about the system, my friend. If I ask you a question, if you have choice to ask 2 people and take advice, 1 person has become failure in that business and 1 person is successful. Who will go for advice? Definitely successful. Why? If you go to a person who is a failure, he will give you 100 reasons why he failed. He doesn't know how to become successful. When you go to a person who is the top earner and successful person, then what he will advise you? He will advise you all the thing how to become successful. That's why, my friend, you have to be with the successful people all the time. So my friend, success will be definitely there if you follow the system. So my friend, I have created a 7-step process. 7 simple step process which you can watch this video, because I'm creating a video right now. It will be available for you and your team. So you can watch it again and again and again and again and duplicate the process. I'm making your life easier. So you don't need to come to Hyderabad to do a learning. The whole thing will be available to you, personally available to you for yourself and your team. So system training is very, very important, my friend. Take the training and then you will become successful. So my friend, are you ready for the training? If you are ready, I guarantee your success, my friend. So learn with open mind, learn as if you are learning a new skill. Okay, my friend, it's a skill. So let's see in your next video. Thank you. Welcome, my friend. Now this is the most important part of this system training, my friend. It is called dreams. Now dreams are very, very important. Dreams doesn't mean that you go to sleep and have a dream. Dream means what you want to achieve in your life, my friend. When we are young, when we are studying, we had a big dreams. All of us have big dreams. But as soon as we got into the job or business, our dreams become smaller and smaller according to the income what we had. Now, my friend, in multi-level marketing, you can achieve whatever you want, my friend. The bigger the dream, the easier you can achieve it, my friend. Listen carefully. Bigger the dream, the easier you can achieve. How it is done? I'll explain to you. Now, my friend, goal setting. Now, here we come into the goal setting. Pick up something which you want to achieve. Now, in network marketing, what happened, my friend? The first goal of the people are buying a car. Am I right, my friend? Everybody wants a car. First thing they want is a car. Why? Car is a status symbol. When they go for the meeting, go for the follow-up, go to give, they go and give a plan. So when they go into it, the people will see that is a high status person. So first thing people want to do is have a car. Now, my friend, goal is very, very important. Now, my friend, we have a conscious mind, we have a subconscious mind. Our subconscious mind is connected to the universal mind. So you don't need to know why and how. You set a goal, your subconscious mind will create how to achieve it, my friend. I will explain to you more in detail. As all of you know that I am a mind coach. I do mind training all over the world since 1977, my friend. I have trained top level sportsmen, and I find out when I talk to a golfer who worked with me and now become very, very successful. When I met him first time 2009, and I asked him to visualize that winning a tournament and set a goal to win a tournament, and he won the tournament immediately. And then I asked him, did you never visualize for the goal, achieving a goal or winning a tournament and holding a trophy in your hand? No, sir, I never visualized that. If you don't visualize that, how you can achieve it, my friend? Remember, we buy things twice, one here in mind and then in reality, my friend. Everything is done. Like an engineer, architect, build a map of the house in his mind and then it become a really big building. So, goal is very, very important, my friend. You don't need to know how to achieve it. Your subconscious mind will create situations for to achieve it. I will explain to you later on. So let's get into the goal setting and having a car. So my friend, having a car is not a goal. Not a goal at all. You need to be very, very specific what you want, my friend. Which car you want? Now you know. Which car you want? I want a Mercedes. Which class you want? S class, E class, for example, E class. So you want a Mercedes E class. Fantastic. New or second hand, my friend? Very, very important. Otherwise get a second hand car. Oh, as a networker, we want a latest model new car. Which color you want? Without color or with the color? Oh, you want a black color. That's right. Now the goal become, I need a Mercedes latest model E-Class, black color, fully loaded, fully interior. Done. Now my friend, good running condition. Sometimes you buy a car, some manufacturing defect is there. So what you miss out, your subconscious mind is going to miss it out. So my friend, good running condition, my friend. So now my friend, just I need a car become, I want a black color, latest model, Mercedes E-Class, fully loaded, good running condition. It's still not complete, my friend. Where you want this car to be, when you want this car to be achieved, when you want this car to be delivered to you, you need to give a specific time limit, my friend. I'll explain to you why time limit is important later on. A specific time limit. So for example, today is 3rd of July 2020. So you set a goal for 1 year maybe? Yes, 1 year. So 3rd July 2021. Very specific date. Not I want next year. No. Very specific, then only subconscious mind work for you. So, you want that. Now the sentence become, I need a I need a Mercedes latest model, E-Class, fully loaded, good running condition, black color, by July 3, 2021. You still not complete, my friend. Where you want this car to be delivered? Pradeep Agarwal's house in Lakhdega Pul, Hyderabad? Or at your house? Definitely at my house. Be very, very clear about it, where you want it. Now, my friend, still not enough. Still something is missing, my friend. And very important thing is missing. This car is parked in front of your house. But this is not your car. This is your neighbor's car. Or your cross-line car. That is very bad. Huh? Your plan is good, but not the cross-line. You did all the goal setting on your cross-line getting a car. Definitely don't want it. Ownership papers in my name, my friend, very, very important. Why? I'll give you an example. A friend of mine wanted to make a lot of money. So I always visualize counting a lot of money. Morning, night, evening, and sometimes the dream. And finally, he landed in a bank as a cashier counting other people's money, because he never said my money, my friend. So, ownership paper in my name. And then imagine today is 3rd July 2021 and your car is delivered to you. You open the door and sit inside, notice how good you feel. Put your hands on the steering, notice how good you feel. Drive. There's a wonderful smell, the fresh leather. And there will be, you know that air purifier we keep. What a smell. And notice how good, what a wonderful seats are there. See your family members sitting there with you there. And notice how much happy and excited you are. Really feel, see, hear everything as if it is happening right now. Really feel it, you already achieved this car. And notice how good you feel when you achieve this car. And then last question, very important. Why you need this car, my friend? Why you need this car? This is a status symbol, especially in network marketing. When you go in this car, people look at you. That's right, my friend. So the status symbol, very, very important, my friend. And the last and most important thing, do you have a parking place to park that car, my friend? I have seen many people, they could not buy a new car because they didn't have a parking place. And I'll give you some wonderful example later on, my friend. So now, my friend, a simple goal, I need a car, has become a black color E-Class latest model, brand new car with fully interior and fully loaded car, good running condition, delivered to me before 3rd of July 2021 at my residence, whatever address is, registration paper in my name. Becomes so clear in your mind, my friend. Some of you might have already started seeing that car in your mind's eye. Am I right? That's right, my friend. Don't need to worry about how it will come. When you set a goal, situation automatically happen. Your subconscious mind connect with the universal mind and you start connecting the right people at the right time. Now, my friend, I want to tell you some wonderful example that happened with me. Some of my downlines in my previous company and some my personal things. So you know how the mind works. Now, my friend, we have a conscious mind, talking to you, subconscious mind, which is the storehouse, and this storehouse is connected to the internet when you connect it, like universal mind, like of me, my laptop, and then laptop is connected to the what? Internet, and then you can find and get connected anything. Like what you do, my friend. You don't have something here, you type on Google and search it and you get connected. Am I right, my friend? I'll give you example later on this. But let me give you some wonderful example, my friend, about this car and how the goal setting works. I work with the top level sportsmen, my friend. They never set a goal to win the tournament. They already visualize only playing good. They play good and don't win the tournament. When they started setting a goal, they play badly, but still they won. What an interesting thing, my friend. Now, I'll give you two examples of MLM, my friend. I'll give you two great examples. My friend, I set a lot of goals. I'll show you later on. But let me tell you. 2000, the company where I was working, I built a team of 25 lakh people. I was on cap limit till 2012. 2000 that company started. It was from Hyderabad, now shifted to Delhi. We'll not get into much detail here. In 2001, I was giving a training, I think 2001 or 2002, I was giving a training in Kolkata with my team. I had a big team in Kolkata. When I was giving a training there, I was talking about the same goal setting which you heard just now. So there was 400, 300, 400 people were there, fully jam-packed. When I was doing the goal setting, I asked them to write down about the car. One of my very dear friend of mine now, he was in the company, now he's become a big person. That time he just came out from his college and he has even doesn't have a bike. We were traveling in a train or auto or sometime in a taxis. He doesn't know which car is good, he doesn't know what is the price of the car. So what he did, the person net switching to them, he was setting a goal for the car, he copied everything in his pad and then visualized. Now this was January, my friend. In Calcutta, Durga Puja is the best auspicious period for all the Bengalis there, my friend. So I set a goal to get a car in Durga Puja. That time, Maruti was the main car and other cars were not very popular, and that is the starting thing. So he set a goal for a car, Maruti car. And then we started making money, he booked the car. Just a few months before the Durga Puja, he gave an advance and booked the car. But the car, they tell the sir, lot of demand there, no waiting list, I don't think you can get this car because Durga Puja. He went there and talking to them. Then he said, the model which you have booked is not available. Do you want other model which is available? He said, okay, Durga Puja is important, I can take the other car because it's the first car. Then he said, the color which you want is not available. The color is, this color is available. Will you, it is okay with you? He had no choice. He settled for the different model. He settled for the different color. He bought the car and happy. But what the goal he set, he has kept the paper somewhere and he forgot about it, my friend, completely. And after 2 years, he was cleaning his almirah, my friend, and the paper came out, took like this in front of him, the goal setting. And then he saw, and he was in tears, my friend. You know why? The car which he wrote, the car he is driving right now is the same car, same color, which he did not want to buy that time when he booked it. So what happened, my friend? Your subconscious mind, when you set a goal, it will make it happen for you, my friend. This is very, very important, my friend. And I'll give you one more example. I said the parking place, very, very important. My friend, I'll tell you, now this guy which I talked to you, now is traveling in a Mercedes now, and he's a big car with him. Really making good money in network marketing with my training now. Though I'm not there, but they still respect me. I still we meet, and sometime we have a party together also. Now another of my downline, my friend, in the same meeting, he also set a goal for car, and after 2 years, he started buying first small car, then he bought a bigger car. The car was 18 lakh rupees that time. I think it's Ford Mondi or something. I don't remember the name. He bought that car, and he doesn't know how to drive. So what happened? He had a driver with him. So a driver normally used to look smarter than him, and then as he has, in network marketing, people don't buy a house first, they buy a car. So he didn't have a house, he was staying in the same house, the old house, but he bought a car. The car was parked in front of his house. And in the morning when he woke up, the car was not there. Really shocking, 18 lakhs car. Immediately, in what happened? He initiated a phone call to all his team people, around 100, 150 people immediately arrived. They started looking for the car. You know what happened to the car? Nobody taken the car. The car was put in neutral on a slope. Children playing there, by chance they, put their feet there, and slowly car started going and then went into a pond. And because of the aerial, they were able to locate the car. Because this car was a wonderful model, nothing happened to the car. So remember, you need to have a parking spot, my friend. Now this person right now is now traveling. He's become a passion for him with the car. Right now, I met him in Calcutta recently, and he took me out in his car. The car was Porsche, 1.5 crore rupees car, my friend. It's all in your mind. When you set the goal, you will achieve it, my friend. Now, why the goal setting is important? Listen to my friend. If you go to an airport and go to an airline's ticket counter, you ask him, give me the ticket. They will ask you where you want to go. Anywhere. Can they give you a ticket? No, my friend, not possible, am I right? You need to be specific where you want to go. So if you are not specific, you will not achieve anything, my friend. Now, mind is so powerful, my friend. When you set a goal, things start happening to you. One more beautiful example for you, my friend. Many of you might have bought in the past a bike or car, am I right? Now, think about it. The moment you decided to buy a car or you settle for a model you want to purchase in the car or bike, suddenly when you come out of your house on the road, when you are traveling, you see that model everywhere. Am I right, my friend? Yes. Another important thing, my friend. With how many of these happen? You suddenly started thinking about a friend of yours and telephone comes, you pick up the call, the person is on the line. Happen with you, my friend? Happen with me number of times, my friend. Happen. Why? Because when you think about that person, the message goes to the internet and both get connected, my friend. Let me tell you my personal examples, my friend. My personal great examples which happened with me. There are many, but I'll give you one or two only. That will help you know how the mind works and how mind help you to achieve what you want to achieve. So listen to me, my friend, my friend. Before getting network marketing, I was doing my training seminar all over the world. All over India, all over the world. That time, I was working with some of the sportsmen in Hyderabad. I will not tell you the name here. Some name I cannot take, so I will not tell you. Personally, when we meet, I'll tell you. And then what happened? As soon as I got into network marketing, I forget about doing all these things. And it was 2004, my friend. I was in Calcutta. I was making good money in network marketing, and I was sitting in my hotel room in the night. I always carry a lot of videos and books with me whenever I'm traveling because I like to read, like to watch. So that particular night, my friend, I was watching a video on EFT, Emotional Freedom Therapy. It's a very powerful technique. Some of you may know about it. If you want to know anything about it, call me. I will let you know. And that video, when I was watching, it was around middle of the night. I don't know exact time. And when I was watching the video, the course was completed. And the trainer said, if you want to make money out of EFT, the first area I will choose was sports, my friend. Sports. The moment I heard the word sports, you know what happened? Something started happening in my mind. I could not watch the video. Tung, 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 something opened up. And I thought, Pradeep, what happened to you? You love cricket. You like to work with the cricketers. You have not any focus upon it. That night, my friend, I could not sleep anymore, could not watch any video. I was making my plans. I set a goal to start working with the cricketer. I know a lot of cricketers in Calcutta, old-time cricketers. Because I used to live in the same area where they live, I used to play cricket in the same club together. So I thought I'll go and meet them tomorrow. My friend, my whole night my mind was focused. I could not sleep. In the morning, 9 o'clock, the car came in to pick me up, to give a training to one of my teams there for mind coaching and NLP and MLM training together combined. I went there. It was a 3 or 4 hours training, my friend. During the training, was mind training, I generally asked some people, is there any sportsman here? One fellow raised his hand. Sir, I used to play cricket. I played for Bengal, but I'm not playing anymore. Okay, come up on the stage. He called him on the stage. And then I asked him, do you know any cricketer better than you? He said, yes. I don't play anymore, but yes, Moinak Sen Gupta is better than me. Then I did an exercise with him. I said, hold your hand tightly. When I press, it will not go down. Then I say, Moinak Sen Gupta is better than me. The moment I say Moinak Sen better than me, I put my hand there and immediately hand came down, become weak. Then I say, I am the best. The hand become very, very strong. Exercise done. The idea of the exercise was always say, I am the best, my company is the best, my upline is the best. Then what happened, my friend? The moment this boy went, there was a break because it's a 4-hour program. The person was sitting there in front row. Aged person sitting in the front row, he came to me and said, Mr. Agarwal, he talked about my son, he played Dilip Trophy, nowadays he is not doing well, can you help him? Remember, my friend, in the night I program my mind, in the morning 9 o'clock I am talking to a cricketer's father there, he is a part of my team. He said, sure. In the evening he was in my room. Next day he took me to the Eden Garden. Next day he took me to Saurabh Ganguly's house, and my training with the sports started immediately, my friend. This is how. Why this happened? Because there was no goal before. Then, my friend, there is one interesting thing happened. In 2001, a very prominent golfer, Milkha Singh's son, Jeev Milkha Singh, called me, can you work with me? That time I didn't know anything about golf, and I was getting busy with my network marketing. Anyhow, thing didn't work out. In 2006, I went to Manchester to attend a training program on sports hypnosis. And then when I went there were 30 participants, and everybody has to do with golf, nothing else. And I don't know anything about golf. Suddenly I thought, some golfer has called me, I don't remember his name. Then after talking, I realized his name is Jeev Milkha Singh. I said, fantastic. Then I didn't know anything about golf, so I bought all the material what they were selling, and there was some training available for mind coaching for golf. I bought it. And then I thought, I will start working with a golfer. Now, my friend, only one golfer has called me in the past before. It was 2006. I decided it was November, December. In 2007, a golfer called me. I met him. First I went to a golf course. He taught me and teach me how is a golf played and how it is played. Then I started working with him. His name is Harmit Kalon. He is from Chandigarh, my friend, and he is Arjuna Awardee, my friend. And he was not playing well that time. So I started working with him. 1.5 years I worked with him, and I went to a few times to the golf courses, but I have not worked with any other golfer. Nobody knew me because it was kept as a secret. In 2008, December, I decided to work with a golfer. I made a list of the golfer like you will be doing, making a list. I make a list of the golfer. I click this golfer I want to work. I set a goal and visualize it, my friend. It was 2008, December. November first week I was doing, 2009, January first week I was doing a workshop in Kolkata. I had 2 golfers in my name. I wanted to work with them. One was Rahil Genji, one was Chaurasia. I don't know any of them. I tried my level best to get in touch. Nothing happened for first 2 days. And then suddenly somebody introduced me. It's a long story. Sometime I'll tell you later on. I met both of the players. I worked with them. And then slowly a name goes to somewhere. And then a very young player, Gaganjit Bhullar, came into my contact. I worked with him first time. And then he won his first tournament in his life as a professional. And then the moment he started winning tournament in a row, every interview my name was given. I have interviewed ESPN, NDTV, Gesture, and 2009 I met Tiger Woods also. I went to US. I worked with one of the Indian golfers there, and they are good friends. I worked with them, and within 5 months I become famous all over India and Asia as a mind coach of golf, my friend. Now, why this never happened before? Because there was no goal, my friend. So once you set a goal, you start sending positive vibration, and then what happened? Your conscious mind, your subconscious mind, and then it goes to internet. I send a message. People require mind coaching. Connect. Tuck, tuck, tuck. They start happening. So same thing will happen to you, my friend. When you set a goal, don't worry about how your mind will create house for you, and you're going to achieve what you want to achieve. Now, my friend, few more important things here. I will tell you one more example here, which I really like. Did you watch a football match, my friend? A tournament match? You know, the match is played for 90 minutes. There is a time limit, am I right? 90 minutes. And there are 2 goals, am I right? A and B team, 2 goals. What is the job of the team? To win then 90 minutes, they put as many goals as possible, am I right? Now, my friend, if there is no goal post, will they be able to play golf? What will happen to the golf? They will just playing the football in themselves only. Now, there is a time limit for 90 seconds. If there is no time limit, they continue to play for hours. Doesn't have any effect. Therefore, the time limit is important. So, you know, football thing, if there's a 2 goal post and there's a time limit 90 minutes, so they have to do everything in 90 minutes. So what happens when you set a goal with the time, then what happens? Urgency appears. You start reaching people automatically. Your subconscious starts sending vibration. You start meeting right people at the right time, my friend. This is a very, very powerful thing, my friend. Whatever I wanted to achieve, I was able to achieve using the power of my mind, my friend. You can see this pen. This is a Mont Blanc pen. I saw this pen somewhere in the shop. It was 70,000 rupees. I wanted to have it. Now I have it. I saw this watch. This watch is Omega 3 lakh watch. I saw it and then I visualized having it, then I got this watch. Thing happen, friends, when you really set a real clear, very clear goal in your mind, and then you should be ready to do each and everything to achieve your goal. But you're ready to do, you don't need to do everything, but things will start happening to you automatically, my friend. And then, my friend, the most important thing, whatever you want to achieve, if you want to have a car, go to the car, take a model, say test drive. If you want to have a house or flat, go to the builders. They may have a model house or model flat. Go into it, sit there and visualize it is yours. The thing will start happening to you, my friend. This is very, very important. Then you take a photograph of those things, put everywhere, and set a goal, write it down. Very, very important, my friend. Unless you write down your goal, it is not a goal at all. And when you write down, then what happened, my friends, you know? You are thinking about it, then putting and writing out, you are putting into action, my friend. And then you put in a piece of paper, keep in your pocket. You are reprogramming your mind to have it very, very clearly. The moment you do that, message start going out and you start attracting right people at the right time, my friend. So, my friend, goal setting is very, very important and very, very important, my friend. So, right now, sit down and write down your goal, take pictures, put it everywhere. People may call you mad. That's okay, my friend. You will achieve your goal easily, naturally, effortlessly if you follow the system, follow the goal I've given to you, my friend. And once you do it, you'll find that fantastic thing happening to you. So, my friend, watch this video a few more times and set your goal and see you in your new black color E-Class Mercedes very soon, because you are in my team with which I sit there. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you very much. So welcome, my friend, again. You have gone through two very important things. One is why system is important and what is the rule of dreams in your network marketing business. My friend, when you set a dream, what happens? You start attracting right people at the right time. Now, my friend, another the most important thing is building a list. My friend, many people don't make money, as I told you before, in network marketing because they do these silly mistakes. They don't make a list. They give a presentation to the people they have not yet learned. They think they are expert. That is why, my friend, we have created this system for you. List building is very, very important, my friend. In the last video, I talked to you about goal setting. I made a list of all the golfers I wanted to work with. And then what happened? Everybody started meeting me automatically. So, my friend, list is very, very important. In network marketing, it's not a product selling business, my friend. Product is actually not the product. Real products are people there. The more people you have under you, the more money you make, my friend. So how you do it? So, my friend, as I told you, many people, when we talk about list, they say, oh, I know so many people, I have 5 people in my mind, I will talk to them, they will join. Wrong. You know what happened, my friend? This is a blunder they do. They think they know the people in their mind, and they talk to the people without knowing the presentation, and they reject them, and thing is over. Now, my friend, list building has many important reasons. Let me explain to you, my friend. You need to take a new diary, a thick one, a solid one, so you not misplace it. Then make a list of minimum 150 people. Somebody say, I don't know 150 people. Open your mobile. How many numbers are there, my friend? How many numbers? 300, 400, 500, maybe 1,000. Are they your enemies? Maybe some of them, but I don't know. So you know that. It's something like that. When you have a big function in your home, do you invite everybody you know? List may go to 200, 500, even 2,000. From where this people's name comes in? It's all there, my friend. Now, my friend, important thing is make a minimum of 150 list and then keep adding into it. But before we get into it, there's something very important I want to tell you, my friend, here. This is the most important thing. When I first time got into network marketing, I heard about list building and I used to talk to the people about making a list. But something very special thing was happening. Nobody was making a list. You know, the story is very, very clear, I tell you. Apple a day keeps a doctor away. How many of you keep a doctor away? How many of you have an apple a day? I don't have it. You also don't have it. Why? You know, keeping an apple a day keeps the doctors away, but we are not doing it. Why? Eating an apple and being healthy is very easy, but much easier is not eating an apple. Same thing with the making of list, my friend. Making a list of 150 people, very, very easy, but much more easier is not to make a list. So many people choose the not making a list. So, my friend, I find out a way to do it. First of all, when I start doing this, anybody sometimes to come for presentations also, he almost liked it. Then I used to give him a sheet of paper and ask them to make a list. because he may have a doubt in his mind that he don't know many people. So what I do is, when he make a list, the moment the list reaches to 50 or 60, you look into their eyes, their face will light up. Oh, I know so many people, I can do this business, my friend. So make a list in front of you, get into habit of it. So then what will happen? You will complete the list and everybody will make a list. What you do is duplicate it. Now let's come back to the list now. List has to be put, write it down, not in your mind, my friend, and then make it A, B and C. A are above you, B are in same level, C is your below you, the level wise. Give them a number, A, B and C, and then city wise. Very, very important, my friend. City wise, very, very important. Say, for example, I am your upline here and I am going to Calcutta, and you are from Bombay. You know I am going to Calcutta. You can take out your list and say, Pradeep sir, I have got these 10 people I know in Calcutta. You will send them a message, they will meet me. If you don't make a list like this, what will happen? I go there and come back, and after 3 months, when I again go, you give me the name, chances are these people might have already joined somebody else. Do you want to lose this? No. So my friend, make a list. Very, very important. List building is like a goal setting. You make a list and then visualize. My friend, is visualize those people joining under you. See in your mind, sign these people have already signed up and working under you. When you do that, my friend, again the mind ring, the vibration goes to them and they will feel good to work with you. So make a list, A, B and C, and then city wise. Very, very important. And keep adding, my friend. Now, very, very important thing, my friend. Meet 3 people, new people every day, my friend, every day. And then some people talk about it, hot list, warm list and cold list. Now, we'll discuss this later on in the other training. Now, right now, you make a list right now. If you have not made a list, right now, do it right now. So, my friend, another important thing. Some people say, I've made a list of 150. Some people say, I've made a list of 300. My friend, in India, only 300 people doesn't live. How many names you have missed is? The population of India is 135 crores. Increasing every day. Am I right? Though coronavirus is there, but still more people are born than dying. Am I right, my friend? So more and more people are coming in every day. So build a list. Bigger the list, the bigger checks you will get, my friend. And my friend, it's very, very important. Make a list right now. And this is about list building. See you on the next lesson. Now, one more important thing before we go, my friend. When you're making a list, don't prejudge anybody, my friend. Don't think he will work, he will not work. My friend, my experience when I started working in the network marketing, you know what happened? I made my first list and I thought certain people will do a wonderful job. They never worked. The people I thought will never work, they really worked and really become my pillar in my team. So my friend, don't prejudge anybody. Write down everybody. You don't know who will work, who will not work. Because if somebody says no to you also, my friend, don't remove them from your list. If their life situation will change, my friend, and the situation change, that time he will think about you and he will come back to you. Never remove these people's name also if they say no to you also. So my friend, make a list right now and then see you on the next lesson. Thank you very much. Now welcome, my friend. We have talked about 3 things so far: system, dreams and list building. Now my friend, the third and most important thing is invitation with edification. What does it mean? Invite people and edify your upline. What do you mean by edifying my upline? Edifying means, my friend, when you talk to your people, talk about your upline. Really edify him, tell good thing about him, tell him he's a very successful person, tell him he has really helped you achieve your goals in your life. Talk about all these things in detail, my friend. Always edify, and when you are with your upline, respect him like anything in front of your downline or in from your prospect. So when you respect them, then what will happen? They will listen to him. They may not listen to you because they know you, but when you edify somebody, they will really listen to them. So that very, very important, edifying. Now my friend, invitation. There is 2 different methods I use in edification. I'll give you 2 tools which are very, very powerful, my friend. First tool is, tell them. There is some very powerful, wonderful opportunity has come and you can do it. So come to the Zoom meeting. That's all you have to say. Come to the Zoom meeting, give them a time and link. Or if there is a meeting happening, say there is a wonderful opportunity, great opportunity, and I know you can do it and you can be really successful in this, so come to the meeting. This is the time, this is the place. They may ask you what is it. That's all. Repeat this number of times and they will come and watch. I tell you why. So far in their life, they only heard you cannot do this, you cannot do this, you cannot do this. The first time they are hearing, I can do something, they will feel really good about it. And you want to be more specific, you can really do it very well. You are capable of doing it very well. When you add this, they will really feel great about it and they will come to your meeting. Now this is one. Second one, which I really love and do it. I tell them, I am going to start a new business and I need your advice. Can you come with me and help me whether I should do it or not, or how should I do it? The moment you talk about this taking advice, you know what happened, my friend? These people have nobody asked their advice before. Wife never asked him, son never asked him, father never asked him. All these people are giving him an advice. The first time when you are asking for advice, they feel really excited. People love to give advice, my friend. Really love to give. So when you ask them for advice, they will come with you. If it is a Zoom meeting, in a Zoom meeting. If it is a hall meeting, in the hall meeting. When they come there, watch the full presentation, my friend, then what is going to happen, you know? Why to happen? They will like it. If they like it, they will join with you, my friend. This is the very important thing which I used in my life initially when I started. And I taught this technique to my team also. This is the most powerful technique, my friend, which I use. There are many more you are going to learn later on. Now, important thing is edify and invite. Bigger the list, the more you can invite, my friend. There are some more different techniques of invitation. We will talk to you later on after the system meeting. Now, system meeting, I am going to keep it a little short and simple. Edification and invitation. Both are very, very important, my friend. If you don't edify your upline, then what is going to happen, my friend? Nobody is going to listen to you. Nobody is going to listen to him. Another important thing, you cannot talk good about yourself. You can talk about others. If I say, I am the best hypnotist in the world, how many of you are going to believe? If some students come and tell me, Pradeep Agarwal is the best hypnotist in the world, you will listen to it, my friend. When other people talk about you, then become 10 times more powerful, my friend. In the hypnotic persuasion technique, we teach this technique to others also. So, my friend, edify and invite. Another important tool. So, my friend, that's all for this particular lesson. Thank you and wait for the new lesson, my friend. Thank you very much. So, welcome back, my friend. Now, till now you have heard and learned about system, you learn about dream and goal setting, you learn about list building, you learn about invitation with edification. Now let's come to the very important part, my friend. Show the plan and follow up. Show the plan, show the plan, show the plan. My friend, the more plan you show, the more people will join you, my friend. Learn how to give a show the plan. Now, let's come back to show the plan, my friend. Now, initially when you have joined as a part of the system, very, very important, my friend, don't show the plan to anybody, yourself. We are doing nowadays because of the corona time and lockdown, we are not able to travel and the hall meetings are not allowed. So, my friend, we are doing a Zoom meeting. I have around 4 software with me. I am doing on Zoom, I am doing on Webinar Ninja, I am doing in Ever Webinar, plus few more, my friends. So we'll be doing this regularly. So you don't need to take anybody anywhere. Now after you make the list, my friend, as I told you how to invite them, plus many more techniques, after this we will be teaching you and talking to you about, but not in this, we want to keep it short. Now important thing is show the plan, my friend. Now, if you are doing a show the plan, that means never, remember my friend, never, never, never give the plan to anybody close to you or somebody you know personally. Never give them a plan yourself. Why? Listen, my friend, very, very important. If you show the plan to somebody, they know you personally well, they may not take you seriously and they may interrupt you a lot while talking to you. That is why edification and invitation is very, very important. If you talked about your upline, gives a lot of edification to him, appreciated him a lot, put him into a high pace, then what will happen, my friend? The person listening to it may not listen to you, he may argue you, but not your upline. Now, my friend, one more important thing, if you don't find your upline at the time, ask his upline, or even if you any other team member whom he doesn't know, you can ask him to give a plan show if you really know how to give a plan. Now, my friend, this is another big advantage. Listen carefully, my friend. Very, very big advantage. When two people are giving, you and your upline giving presentation to somebody, one person, is a 2:1 benefit, you know. If we call it unfair advantage. Why you call unfair advantage? There is only one person listening and two people are sitting there and giving a presentation. The upline is giving a presentation and you are keeping quiet completely and not speak any word and you are taking notes. You show that you are very, very serious. So what happened? The impression goes to him. He is one, you are two people. It's called 2:1 unfair advantage in network marketing, my friend. So always use this. But nowadays, coronavirus time, other thing, you invite these people to the Zoom seminar, but edify about your upline, tell him about him who is giving the presentation. Once the person listens to the presentation fully, my friend, 100% guarantee he will join you and work with you and achieve his dream. My friend, our goal is to dreams. Now, when you start giving presentation yourself, my friend, always do one very important thing. First you learn it after 10 to 15 times seeing with the upline, then start giving to your downline, their prospect, not your prospect. Now, my friend, when you talk to the prospect, remember one very important thing. Discuss with them, develop a rapport with them, and find out why they want to have an extra earning. They will tell you the reason why they want to do it. Maybe a time, maybe the money, maybe they want money for some special occasion, maybe something else. You note it in your mind very, very carefully, my friend. So that when you are giving a presentation, when you're showing the making money or whatever it is, add it to where his problem, so that the person sees that he is getting a solution to his problem. Nobody is interested in you, they are interested in themselves, my friend. So give them a presentation according to their personal needs, according to their personal problem. When you link it to it, the person will immediately join, my friend. Advanced technique or developing a rapport will talk to you and teach you in our other seminars. Really in near future, I will create a video or will do a Zoom meeting where we will teach you this. So now this is very, very important, my friend. And after the presentation, my friend, remember, presentation, show the plan does not make people sign up. You're only giving them information to take a decision. Follow through or follow up works. Now, some people call it follow up. Some people follow through, I call it feedback. Why? Because follow through has been used so much time in network marketing. The moment you use the word, people get a negative ideas. So you can use follow up, you can use whichever comfortable with you, feedback or follow through. I call it feedback, my friend. Now remember, my friend, rule for the network marketing is you need to do the follow up within 48 hours. My rule is 24 hours. Or immediate. I'll tell you what it is, but remember why we give a less time. Listen to my friend. As I told you in the very beginning, why people fail in network marketing, because they have not learned anything, they start giving presentation. Now, if you give a presentation to somebody, he is really excited about your presentation, he really wants to join, and then what happens, if you give them a time, what happens, without any training, without anything, these people start talking about it. If you give them more than 48 hours time, excitement will start coming down. Number two, he might have talked to somebody and they might have said, oh, it is network marketing, it is a chain system, it is that. You will get negative. So don't give them a time, my friend. Do it within 24 hours. Now I'll give you a very wonderful tip here, my friend, which I use it all the time and I teach everybody of my team. You can immediately get a wonderful feedback and your follow through might have been done then and there only, my friend. So after the full presentation, which should not take more than 15 minutes, because after more than 15 minutes, people get bored and they will start looking here and there and they want to just get it out. So simple language, you teach it, we'll talk about it later on. In other training, we'll teach you how to give a shorter version of the show the plan, my friend. Rest of the thing, an objection, another thing, the question thing can take later on. But main plan should be maximum 15 minutes. Now after the plan, I ask them a simple question. What do you think about it? And then I keep my mouth shut, I don't speak. Please remember this. This is a big lesson, my friend. Don't speak. Let the person talk about it. So they will say, I didn't understand. Okay, I'll explain to you now. Sometimes people may say that I don't have enough money. In this Deja plan, you don't need money, my friend. You are buying a product which you already buy in your house. So there is no investment in it. If still they say, tell them they really need this business because this is why you need to do it. Because you lack money. He said, then tell them. Which I tell them every time. See, my friend, if suddenly somebody gets seriously ill at home and you admit them into hospital and 1 lakh rupees is required, my friend, I'm not talking about 2,000, 1,800. You will find a way to arrange money, my friend. Nobody has the money initially, they have to arrange. So anybody can arrange money, my friend. So tell them this. So this is a two-way. If they not understand the plan, explain to them again, ask their objection handle. Whatever the question they might not have understand the plan, because if it's a totally new person, he may not understand the complications of the plan. So make the plan simple and easy. In the future, I'm going to teach you a shorter plan plus 1 minute plan, my friend. Only 1 minute. I'll explain and teach you in a later training, my friend. So remember this. Always show the plan and immediately do the follow-up, or we call it feedback. I call it feedback, and it should be done immediately or maximum 48 hours. More than 48 hours, the person is gone. Now, my friend, sometimes some people may not like it and reject it. That's okay. Go to the next person. But don't remove him from the list, my friend. At that moment, he may not require it. But my friend, within a 1 full day, situation changes 5 times. He may not want it immediately, but after 2 days or 6 months, the thing changes. He will remember you. Be in touch with that person regularly. Say them hi, send them a products catalog, send them some new review of a product, so he will be in touch with you. Or if he's your friend, just meet him for a tea and coffee, but don't talk about business. He will ask you how your business is going. This is how this thing works. So my friend, I'll give you more tips and things. So this is about showing the plan and follow up. So thank you, my friend. Watch this video one more time again. Then come to the next topics. Thank you very much. Welcome back, my friend. Now we are going through step by step complete system. I think you are understanding it fully. If you not understand, go back and listen to it again. That is why I am making a video, so that you can watch it again and again. So now, my friend, let's come to the very, very important of the thing. The most important point, become 100% user of the product of your company, my friend. If you don't use the product, my friend, you are not in the company and you will not make money, my friend. Why we need to use the product? When you use the product, you like the product, you understand how powerful the product is, and when you use it personally, when you talk to somebody, you will talk with confidence, my friend. You will talk with a good energy, my friend, and you pass on this powerful energy into them. My friend, remember, if you are lying something, the prospect will understand it unconsciously. Happen to you. Some people are lying with their not energy, that they are just lying for the sake of their saying it. My friend, when I went to the company to join on February, I went and bought 19,000 worth of the product because I want to use it personally, my friend. And I'm using lot of their products. Ashpras, Diabetes, Tulsi, our Gaso-free I'm using now. And plus, my friend, I'm using this Haldi, Dhania, Podina at home. Plus, I'm using both the soaps. What beautiful products, my friend. I'm using it regularly. I've stopped using all other products from anywhere else. I'm using only this now, my friend. Why, my friend, it is important? Listen carefully. If you don't use the product, and once your prospect sees that you are not using some other company's product, what the message will go there? That means the company products are not good. Now, I travel a lot, so I keep those products in my office also. The Ashpras is kept there, Tulsi is kept there. Anybody comes, I give them a Tulsi water. 2 things happens. They understand I'm using the product. They read the Deja name there. And sometimes they ask, do you have extra? Can I buy one? You can do a retail, my friend, easily. A Ashpras, I'm doing retail almost 15 to 20 boxes every month. So my friend, products are superb. When you use it, then only you will know it, my friend. So always use 100% of the products. For example, you go to buy a car in a Mercedes showroom. Suddenly you see the owner. He is coming in BMW or Audi. What idea, what thought will come in your mind? You will think, this owner is using an Audi and BMW, not the Mercedes. That means the Mercedes is not good. Will you purchase Mercedes from there? Never, my friend. So that is why become 100% user of the product, my friend. When you use the 100% of the product, my friend, some interesting thing happens. Once you start liking it, second, your repurchase is also done automatically. Third, your family member, your relatives and things, when they come to your house and see those products, they start buying your products first from you and later on can become a distributor without doing any work. So my friend, use the product now, become 100% user. So this is a very important lesson, and let's now come to the next lesson, my friend. Thank you very much. So welcome, my friends, now, as you have gone through all the systems now, and now it is the most important system, my friend. Be a team player, attend all the functions, and my friend, you read the good books, recommended books. Now, my friend, why team player? My friend, this is a business, work only in the team. Why? Because your upline is your team. Your downline is your team. This is the only business where upline gives presentation for you. Upline teaches you all the secret of the business which no other people does. That is why it is called team business. So always be in the team. Attend all the functions of the company. And my friend, read good books. Plus, consult with your upline. Always be in touch with your upline. Talk to him. Not giving him a counseling, but taking a counseling. Doesn't mean that you call him to give advice. Why we need an upline? Because he is more experienced than you, because he has come into the business before you, he has gone through the system training number of times before you, and he has some practical experiences, my friend. So anytime you get stuck, some objection comes, you are not able to handle it, talk to him, take advice, or put him into a conference call and take his help, my friend. Upline is the best tool for you. That is why we need to edify the upline. Always respect your upline. So my friend, this is the most important tool. Be a team player. Always attend the meeting. Team is very, very important, my friend. Without team, you cannot succeed in this business. In fact, my friend, in this business, you are making your own team. All your directs, their directs, your team is your downline, and that is your team. You work together with them. That's why everybody becomes success. Now, my friend, you know one very important thing, why we tell you the secret? As you know this Dayjoy business plan, my friend, your cap limit per day is only 2,500 rupees. As you might have seen in the business plan, my friend, you make 10 lakhs rupees a month. How? Your income will be only 75,000 by helping your team member, your directs. That is why it is called teamwork. So when you build your team, help them, you grow your business, you grow your income and achieve success in your life, achieve your dreams, my friend. So always be a team player. And one wonderful book I'll suggest you, my friend. I'm reading it right now. The name of this book is The Magic of Thinking Big. Now this is a costly book if you import. It's written here 10 pounds, maybe around 1,000 rupees. But in India, this book is available in Amazon.in. You can buy this book for 200-300 rupees. Wonderful book. Read it at least 5 to 6 times, my friend. I'm reading it. You will not believe it. I bought this book first time in 1979. Some of you were not born also that time, my friend. I bought this book and I read it and really helped me that book. Then I forgot about the book and I could not find in my library of 10,000 books. I could not locate this book. So I bought it one more time again and now again reading it, my book. So my friend, The Magic of Thinking Big by David Sheward. PhD. This book is available in PDF also, in Hindi and English both. So my friend, if you don't have this book, ask your upline to be in touch with me. I will give you, don't tell anybody, English or Hindi, whatever PDF you want, I will give it to you. But still, I strongly recommend you to buy this book from Amazon.in. Why? When you are buying it, this fellow gets the royalty, my friend. So I always love, if I get a PDF also, I always buy a book, physical copy. Always buy if it is available. If not available, then it's a problem, that's a different thing. Otherwise, I always buy a physical copy. In my laptop, I have more than 1,000 Kindle books. I read them, but if I like the book, I always buy a physical copy. So you can always pick up and read. So my friend, this is very, very important. Be a team player, be the counseling, use all the functions, my friend, and read and listen to the wonderful books. So my friend, remember this, and let's come to the next lesson. Thank you very much. Welcome back, my friend. It's the last lesson of the system, my friend. It's called commitment, duplication, and action. What do we mean by commitment, my friend? Now, commitment means commitment to your goal, commitment to the system, my friend. If I ask somebody how much commitment you are going to give, they say 50%. No, my friend, there is no 50%. Commitment is 100%. We are not asking for your time commitment, 100% time. We are asking commitment to your goal, commitment to your dream, commitment to your system, my friend. When you do give 100%, things start happening to you automatically, my friend. When you give commitment, that means you are thinking all the time about Dejoy. You are thinking about what can I do to achieve my goal. You can think about what can I talk to my people to join them, how can I invite people more easily, and what else I can do to increase my income so that I can achieve my dreams, my friend. When you do this thing, your subconscious mind will give you a proper answer, my friend. So commitment is very, very important, my friend. Commitment to the system, not the time. Commitment to the system, commitment to follow the system. Watch these videos 3-4 times more and learn about it. Now, my friend, second thing is duplication. My friend, this business is a business of duplication. Duplicate the correct thing, still it will be only 50% go to the downline. Duplicate a wrong thing, downline will duplicate 150%, my friend. This is my experience. So, my friend, duplication. The business is of duplication, my friend. Why? I'll tell you. And it's a teamwork. When you join, you are alone, my friend. You have only 24 hours a day. When you start building the team through the system, say for example, you have 10 people under you in your team in a month's time. Now how much time you are getting? You are getting a time leverage. You are only having 24 hours and you are taking the 10 people 24 hours. That means 240 hours extra you are getting, my friend. That is a leverage of time, freedom, my friend. Now this is only the first month, my friend. And then once you start working, following the system with our training, with our support, your team will start growing faster and faster. After some time, you will have 1,000 people, then 10,000 people, then 50,000 people, then 1 lakh people, my friend. When I joined my previous company, I knew only 2 people, and then little bit after doing some work, I introduced some few more people, and I knew only the top 40, 50 people myself, and then my team stopped growing, my friend. I built a team of 25 lakhs people. I don't know where they are, from where they have come. Do I know them? No, my friend. It's a business of duplication. It will only happen when you follow the system correctly, my friend. That's why we build this system for you, my friend. Always remember, my friend, one more important thing. Whenever you are meeting somebody, you are not joining them. It is not our people joining business. It is creating leaders, my friend. We are working for their success. The more you make those people successful, work with them, become successful, the more money you will make, my friend. And when you have this thing, if I join this fellow, I will get 500 rupees commission. My friend, people know that you are doing it for your own benefit. Your goal should be, I am introducing one new people in the team. My goal is to make him successful and achieve his goal. When you do this, you get a very powerful positive energy goes to them. And they start working automatically, my friend. So this is my experience in network marketing for last 22 years, my friend. And one more important thing, this is the end of the system, but I want to tell you a few more interesting things, my friend. This system is only made for the green IDs, not for the red IDs. Please, my friend, commit to me that you will only watch it and give it to the people who has a green ID. Don't give it to the people who has not green ID. For them, it is a waste of time. And if they might have doing some other company, they will take benefit of our system. So I don't want the system to go to the people who are not the part of the team. This is for our team only, Pradeep Agarwal's team. Your people. It is only for you and our team, my friend. And now, another important thing. Shortly, very shortly, I'm going to make a lot of new videos on how to talk to the people, how to invite to the people, how to do pre-closing, how to do the closing, how to do the follow-up. Lot of different kind of tools you will get, my friend, one by one. So my friend, the rule is watch this video at least 4 times, and whenever you feel, again watch it, part of it. So my friend, what you have learned today here is why system is important. Then dreams, we did a wonderful programming for it. Then list making, then invite with edification. Then we talk about show the plan and follow through or follow up or feedback. And then use the tools, my friend. Use the products, complete product, become 100% use of product. And then be a team player. Get counseling done. Use the proper book. I've shown you the book. Get it immediately, my friend. And then last is commitment and duplication. My friend, this is a proven system used worldwide, my friend. Some people have tweaked a little bit according to the need of their company, according to the need of their products. I have tweaked it because I give mind coaching, and added with this mind coaching, my friend, you will become 10 times faster successful. And if I can get a boxer win a medal in the Olympic, if I can help a golfer win tournaments after tournament we never win. I help cricketers to score centuries and take wickets. My friend, we are human beings. I don't know all these things. I never played this thing. I help them to use their mind. I will help you use your mind, which you are using only 10% right now. Not even 10%, even 5%. Some people say only 1%. You can start using more of your mind power. You become very successful, and quickly you'll achieve your goals easily, naturally, and effortlessly. So looking forward to meeting you personally soon. As soon as the lockdown and everything become normal, I'll visit your cities. We'll do a lot of training together and we'll have a lot of fun. My friend, again the last thing, I may be your upline as the rule says, but we are not working as a upline, we are working as a team, we are working as a business partner. When you become successful, I become successful. My goal is to make you very successful. So my friend, if that is my goal, so see you on the top very soon. Follow the system. Thank you very much, my friend. Thank you.